Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to connect your AVer wireless document camera to the AVer interactive flat panel. The first thing you're going to want to do is have an internet connection that's wireless, your AVer document camera, an HDMI cable, and of course your IFP panel. Now the first thing we're going to do is connect both your panel and your dock cam to the same network. To do that, let's go to settings first. And now let's go to network. And if you have your Ethernet connected, just go ahead and plug it to the back. So I have Ethernet connected, but if you're using Wi-Fi, just go ahead and go to Wi-Fi here and make sure you turn this guy on. So make sure you turn the Wi-Fi on and then connect to your SSID, or it'll ask you to enter your password. The next thing you're going to want to do is set up your F70 document camera. So here I have a HDMI cable that we'll need initially to set up the wireless network. So you want to make sure the dongle in the back is plugged in, and you want to turn the camera on. And now the Wi-Fi LED light on the front will probably be orange if you've never connected it to your network before. So you want to plug one HDMI cable to the HDMI out port. You got to make sure because there's two HDMI ports here, and plug in the other one into the panel on the front. And we're going to switch our source from the panel to HDMI 0, or the blank one, to get to the F70W here. So here I see my F70W. Go ahead and press menu and go press right 1, 2, 3 times to get to the Wi-Fi tab. And now in Wi-Fi here, you press enter and you want to select Wi-Fi as the way you connect. Then you go down one to go to Wi-Fi setup and press setup. So here, this is where you're going to select your SSID and just give it a second as it loads. So here's my SSID, and then you're going to enter in your password that you have here. And then when you're done, just do connect. So press connect, and now it's going to connect the document camera to your network. So we're just going to give it a moment here. So if it's successfully connected, you're going to be able to see your SSID here, your MAC address, and your IP address. Additionally, your Wi-Fi LED icon on your document camera will now be blue. So it should be blue here. Once that's connected, you can actually disconnect the HDMI cable because you won't be needing it anymore. And now we can go back to the home screen. So on my dock cam, you see that I have the blue LED now, which means I'm successfully connected to the network. So I'm going to put this guy down really quickly. Now the next thing you're going to do is launch the app called Sphere 2. So this is located on my desktop, but it's actually in your all apps where you can locate it here. So launch Sphere 2, and this is the app we use for all of our wireless document cameras. And now you should see on the left-hand side the name of your dock cam. So go ahead and tap it, and now you'll see a preview of the screen, and press start. And now you have actually successfully connected your wireless AVer document camera to the interactive flat panel. On the top right here, you can do some additional camera controls. So if I press it, you can autofocus the camera completely wirelessly, and you can also zoom in and out. Or if you're, upside down, you can change orientation. And then you have your basic annotation tools on the top here. And this is just your basic tools such as annotating, writing, highlighting, adding text, shapes. You can take snapshots with this icon here. So that takes a snapshot. And on the bottom here, you have an option for a whiteboard or a media gallery to see all the snapshots you've taken. So that just pretty sums up how to connect your AVer document camera to the IFP board.